Hello, and welcome to today's feature on a truly unique timepiece, the C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC from Christopher Ward. If you're a fan of watches that combine exceptional craftsmanship, striking design, and reliable functionality, then this might just be the watch you've been looking for. Now, let's take a closer look at the C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC and why it stands out in the world of luxury watches. At first glance, the bronze case of this watch immediately catches your eye. Bronze is not just any ordinary material. It ages with time, creating a beautiful, one-of-a-kind patina that makes each piece unique. Over the years, the watch will take on a personalized look that only improves with age, giving it a character that is impossible to replicate. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or someone just getting into the hobby, the visual appeal of the bronze case is undeniable. But it's not just about looks. The C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC is powered by a Swiss-made automatic movement, the highly respected COSC-certified movement. This certification guarantees the highest level of precision with a daily accuracy of -4 to +6 seconds. It's a mark of quality, and it ensures that this watch doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well too. The 41mm case size is perfect for a wide range of wrist sizes, offering a balance between style and wearability. The design is inspired by classic dive watches with its rotating bezel that's perfect for both style and functionality. Whether you're diving deep or just going about your day, the bezel provides easy tracking of elapsed time. But what really sets the C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC apart is the dial. It features a stunning gradient blue color that reflects light in such a way that you can see different shades depending on the angle. It's a breathtaking effect that draws the eye and enhances the overall aesthetic of the watch. The markers and hands are filled with luminescent material, ensuring legibility in low light conditions. So whether you're out in bright sunlight or under the night sky, this watch will always be easy to read. The C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC also boasts a water resistance of up to 150 meters, making it an excellent choice for water sports enthusiasts or anyone who enjoys the outdoors. You don't have to worry about taking it off when swimming or diving. Plus, the screw-down crown ensures that the watch stays water-resistant even in challenging conditions. Let's not forget about the bracelet. The watch comes with a robust bronze bracelet that complements the case perfectly, and it's made to stand the test of time. There's also an option for a high-quality leather strap if you prefer a more casual, vintage look. When you look at all these features, from the bronze case that ages beautifully to the precision of the COSC-certified movement, the stunning dial, and the impressive water resistance, it's clear that the C65 Aquitaine Bronze COSC is more than just a timepiece. It's a statement, a blend of timeless design, modern technology, and versatility.